Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So last 2 weeks probably I have not put any videos, and the reason being both my parents were infected with COVID and my dad was hospitalized of COVID pneumonia. Both of them are doing good now, so I have time to make videos, and maybe videos will keep coming on regularly from now onwards. So yeah, everything is good which ends good. So here today we discuss about 5 stocks and which has a good opportunity, all 5 of them, and they're varying opportunities from 30%, 40% up to 100% opportunities are there. So we'll discuss them one by one. But before that, as usual, 2 points. First thing, that none of my videos is a recommendation video to buy or sell. This is my personal research and my personal way of investing. I'm creating this video only to help you to identify the opportunities, and then you take your decision based on your own personal research and your personal needs. Second thing is that if you like our content, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to share with your friends and family and your social connects. And also, if you like our videos and if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I publish any new video. And also, I have a Telegram channel, and the link I always put in the description. So you can join the Telegram group channel basically if you are interested to get some kind updates regarding stocks or any kind of movements. So we'll start the list of stocks. The first stock which I'm discussing is Lemon Tree. So Lemon Tree Hotels. It's a hotel stock, and we are discussing a lot of hotel stocks today and tourism related stocks. And the reason being the market is open now, and third wave of COVID is predicted to be not as strong as second wave because of vaccination drive in the country. So keeping that in mind, this is what we are looking for. So Lemon Tree has a very good opportunity, and if you see the from the graph point of view, so this is how the graph looks like. So I'll change it to days. I'll put it to 1 year graph and we'll see how the graph looks like. So this is the 1 year graph for this particular stock. I'll remove all the drawings to show you how it looks like and how we analyze the stock so that you can do it yourself also if you want. Okay, so basically this is a very good head and shoulder chart. Okay, inverse head and shoulder chart. So if you just take this particular point, which is it's very long point. This stock is keeping this as a resistant point. So if you see multiple times, so this is first resistance, then this is the second resistance, same point, then third resistance, then fourth resistance, and then here also it's a resistance or fifth resistance. So it has tried many times to cross, but since the things are in favor right now more than ever, so there's very high chance the stock will cross this particular point and it will reach a new high. So new high targets, the target for this particular stock in our analysis today is the depth of the shoulder, so depth of the head. So I'll just try to draw the pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So it's yet to complete the shoulder from here, but this is the depth of the head or size of the head. Okay, so this is how you see. So this is what is the size of the head. Okay, yeah, and if you put it here on top of this, so this is what we get as the target. So this is close to the price of 63.35, and if you see the target, the kind of percentage return what we can get from here is somewhere here, but this is from here. So but now the current price is somewhere at this level, 41.35. So if you want to see exact return what is available at this price point before it completes the head and shoulder pattern, then we need to take from here, and from here if you see the kind of return what we have options right now is close to 52%. So that is the return what is available in Lemon Tree Hotels before it completes the head and shoulder pattern. So it's almost going there, and it will most likely will complete, and you can invest at this point in time also to maximize your possibility of return. So the return is around 52.3% in case of Lemon Tree Hotels. We'll move to your second stock. So second stock is Chalet Hotels. I'll not discuss the fundamentals of the stocks because all these stocks has been discussed at some point in time in this channel. So if you want to see in that regard what kind of stocks we have discussed so far, then probably you can go to YouTube. I'm sorry. Probably you can go to YouTube and can search by Mayank Tripathi and any particular name. For example, if you search by Mayank Tripathi and if you search any stock, for example 5paisa or Thomas Cook or KRBL, so you just put the name of the company and you'll get analysis if it is done before or not. Okay, so I have discussed these stocks once before also, Chalet Hotels. So you can go and search what we discussed about this particular company. So this is again a particularly very good head and shoulder pattern. Again, same kind of pattern related to your previous stock, which is Lemon Tree Hotels. So this is kind of level what we're looking for. And if you see head and shoulder pattern perspective, then this becomes the left shoulder, and this becomes the size of the head, and this becomes the right shoulder. So again, it's on the verge of completing its right shoulder. So we need to, so it's the opportunity where we invest in lower point and we can maximize the return. So I repeated it many times before in other videos also. And in Lemon Tree also I told, if you invest before this completes the pattern, the next returns are maximum possible. Okay, sorry, I'll delete this. So the size of the head or depth of the head for this particular stock starts from here and it goes till here. So if you drag it from, sorry, I'll straighten it up. Okay, and if you drag it from here and put it on top of this line and shorten it up, and then we can see the target what we are getting in this particular stock. So this particular company has two targets. So this is one target, and target, if you see from current price point, then this is, we'll draw a line over here, and from this point if you see the kind of return what we have, so immediate return is close to 42% in this particular stock, Chalet Hotels. But if you see from a little longer time perspective, and if you see, this company has always been in this range. If you see long term, it's always has been in this particular range. So this is a more logical target compared to this. So 41.8% is a short term target, but if you see the ideal target for this stock, which is also will not take a lot of time compared to what we can see, then the target is a huge return of close to it's close to around 94-95%. So it will not take a lot of time. So there are two targets for this particular stock. Sorry, one is 42%, one is 94%. It's almost double. So based on time frame, you can decide whether you want to go for a 42% return or 94% return. But there's two opportunities. Decision is completely in your hand. Next, we'll move to third stock. Third stock is again it's somewhere related to tourism sector only. So that is Mahindra Holidays. If you see Mahindra Holidays, I'll reduce it to 1 year chart. I've already drawn the graph before. I'll just erase these graphs and I'll try to draw it again. So this is what the chart looks like. So this is something which you call a flag pattern. So this has grown a lot here, and then this has becoming a flag kind of pattern. So it's a pole and this is a flag on a pole. So this is one pattern. Now from this point, if you see the kind of opportunity what we have, then we need to go for 5-year chart and see how it looks like. So this is what the target for this particular stock looks like, the highest point. So this is the highest point where this stock might reach. Sorry, not this and this. So this is the point what we are looking for in this particular company. Why I'm saying all these tourism stocks will go very fast, because now the COVID is almost done and third phase is predicted to be not as strong as the second wave. So people who are trapped inside, who are not traveling, and who has some saved money because of all these work from home and there is no expenditure ways and everything, so they will come forward and they will try to travel. They will try to invest money in traveling and leisure travel, international and national, in different ways. Also, since there is a fear instilled in the mind of people that there is some kind of, they need some kind of hygiene, so for that purpose they will go to organized players, organized sectors. So that's the reason Lemon Tree Hotels, Indian Hotels, and your Chalet Hotels all will become more into picture, because smaller hotels and those things will not get as much business as before so fast, and these branded things and these branded Mahindra Holidays kind of stuff, resorts, will be more in the limelight because of the kind of fear and also kind of reopening. So both will together impact the entire sector. In Mahindra Holidays, as I told you, it's creating a flag pattern, and from there if we see the current kind of gain what we can get, so this is from where we see the kind of opportunity what we have in Mahindra Holidays. So this is close to 78%, 70 to 80% opportunity is there in this particular company, Mahindra Holidays. And personally I feel it will not take a lot of time, but when I say a lot of time, doesn't mean take 2 months, 3 months and it will get 80% return. It might take 1 year or 2 years also, but for me personally, if 2 years 80% return, I'm quite happy if I get that. And I think all of us should be happy if I get 80% return in 2 years. That's a very good return. And also if you get in your option which is kind of risk free, because you are doing a good analysis on that, your technicals, fundamentals, and also the business analysis, and also some kind of your you make sense when you talk about it, like the things which I told you for COVID and branded, non-branded things. There should be logic behind this. So if you all these factors are in the correct direction, then it becomes kind of risk-free investment, and risk-free investment 80% return in 2 years is always a very good return from my perspective. The call is yours. If you think it's a good return, then probably you can go forward and invest in these stocks. This is the third stock. Fourth stock what you're looking for today is Thomas Cook. Thomas Cook I have discussed before also. So one second, my internet is slow. So Thomas Cook is one stock which we have discussed before also, and the price what we discussed is close to 42 or 43 when we discussed. We'll just open the chart and check. So this is what the target for Thomas Cook. So I'll reduce the chart to 1 year and then we'll get a more clearer picture. So let's drag it here. Yes, so this is how it looks. I'll remove this thing from here. Sorry. So I'll remove all the drawings. So last time when we discussed about Thomas Cook was 26th April. So 26th April, if you see from date perspective, it's somewhere close to here. This one, yeah. So this is where I discussed the stock. The price was around 46 rupees, and from this, the price has reached right now is for 64 rupees. So that's close to more than 50% return this stock has given in around 2 months. Based on previous discussion, I'm not sure if you are the one who invested in this stock or not, but I personally invested and I'm already in a 50% return right now. But still, there's a lot of big opportunities. I told international travel is started and people will start traveling to international markets, international vacation places. So this company is leading company selling international packages and travel packages. So this company is going to grow a lot from here. If you see from opportunity perspective, then if you go to 5 years term, then only we can get it. And we'll shorten the cycle. And this is where the company fell from 2019 high when some news for this particular company came. For that, you need to watch the previous video. As usual, I told you, search by Mayank Tripathi and Thomas Cook. You will get that video. You should go and watch that video. So this is our ideal target for this particular company here right now. So if you see from current point, what's the target for this particular company in terms of percentage is close to 150% return, easily available. Now I'm telling you again, 150% if it comes in 3 years also, then it's a very good return and you should always go for it. So this is the kind of return we have in Thomas Cook right now available with us. This is the fourth stock. Fifth stock if you go for, then it is SpiceJet. Sorry, my internet is again, it's gone. Let me connect back to the internet. So yeah, as I was telling, these are the companies which are into holiday sector and tourism sector, and these companies will do good a lot. And this thing has been pending for some time now. All sectors have grown. Steel sector, IT sector, all have grown. Only this particular sector was not moving because of the factors and traveling factors and holiday factors and everything. Now this entire sector will come into picture and they will grow. They'll grow very fast also, and the revenues will also be better than before. So this is a chart of SpiceJet. SpiceJet we discussed also in the previous video. Same thing, go and search by Mayank Tripathi SpiceJet. You will get that video. So last time when we discussed, the price was close to 63, somewhere like this. It was close to here. Sorry, it was around 61, 62. We discussed this stock, and now the price is around 76. So it's around 25% return. And again, I'm invested in this particular stock also. So I'm sitting at a 25% return in around 2 months. So this I'm quite happy with that kind of return what I'm getting. But still we have very good opportunity present in this particular stock for short term. So this is the price point current, and this is the target which I am looking for right now because it made a base kind of here. So it was there dragging for some time, that fell down, and again it's moving here, and then it will again going to touch this point. So this is a very good short term target for me if I see from current price point. So if you draw a graph from here, it's around 32, not to around 38% return you can get from the current price point in the SpiceJet. But also when it completes this, it also completes a head and shoulder, it completes a cup with handle pattern. Just to show, I cannot give you a target, but if you see from here, it's somewhere like this cup, and then this is one more handle. It will become a handle, so you will get a cup with handle pattern. Based on that, our second target will be somewhere the size of the cup. So size of the cup, if you see, this comes till here, till this point, and if you drag this particular size, so particular depth of this, then if you put it here, then you get a much bigger target for this particular company, and that target is almost at a price of 181. So that means it's a double return. I'm sorry, I'll go from here. So that's a double return from the current price. So current price is close to 79. If you see, it's around 136% growth if it completes the head and shoulder pattern, and also the result and the whatever forecast we are doing related to travel, everything becomes true, then only. But for now, the return is 37.4%, and everything goes good, the return is around 136%, which again should not take a long period of time. So these are 5 stocks what we discussed. The video is a little longer than usual. So I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you like it. And I hope that if you find it helpful, share with your friends, families, and everyone possible. And you will help me to help me to grow more, support me to give this information to more and more people. And if you have any feedback for us, please do let me in the comment section. I'll try to inculcate those things, feedbacks in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in the next video. Stay happy, stay safe.